Hey, yo, what's good? It's your boy RAJ, MW LaFleur Brown with a comment. Today I'm back with another video. Yes, sir. Clap it up. As y'all can see, I got me some triangle box braids or triangle braids, whatever the fuck it's called. But yeah, shout out to my mom, you feel me? She just got me right, you feel me? But yeah, we with this style. I make my hair look way longer too than two straight. That's gonna be my go-to style. Will my hair get even longer? Yeah. And this shit, shake and move, bro. Come on now. Yeah, we finna get right though. Well, bro, it's been there for like almost 2 weeks, I wanna say, you feel me? But yeah, I fuck with it though, for sure. But today's video, as y'all can see by the time, we got some heat in, you feel me? Yeah, straight heat, my boy. Yeah. Now, we got this item from Neiman Marcus. Now, I did already open it. Like, I cut open to see if the items up in there, like the right shit, you feel me? Cause I had to make sure, but yeah. So we just gonna act like, act like I just now opened. Yeah. You feel me? But yeah, let's get into the nitty gritty, you feel me? So, start off though, before I do unbox this real quick, I ended up paying, so the original shirt was like $485 or some shit like that. It was gonna be basically $500 of tax, but it was a little sale, and plus I'm a member, right, Neiman, so ended up getting a little discount that, so I only ended up paying like $300 some for this instead of $500. That's what happens. Certified shopper, certified spender, you feel me? But yeah, let's get into this on bro. Now we could just, I don't even have to use a knife. I bought the knife, I don't even gotta use it. Yeah, we got this from Neiman Marcus, you feel me? Let's cover that up. But damn, let me cover that right there, bro. Great. Bro. But yeah, Neiman Marcus, you feel me? Bro, make sure I ain't showing that, no, be slow. But yeah. Neiman Marcus, y'all can see. They packaged it up real cool, nice, tight. And we got the off-white diagonal. You see, you got the tags on it. Yeah, it's gonna be hard. The off-white diagonal L skate style. I ain't gonna lie. I just looked up off-white long sleeves and this popped up and I wanted it, so I got it. So yeah, this gonna be part of my birthday fit though. So y'all ain't gonna see this for another cool month. So yeah. So yeah, let's open it though. So bro, let's see. Got some noise or any type of tablets. My little cousins, bro. I'm finna smack one across the head. Keep on playing. Anyway, let's take this out. You see, we got the off-white tag up on there. You feel me? Hey, gonna lie, I did not know it was gonna come with that. So that's a plus. I like it. I fuck with it. You feel me? Am I gonna keep it on the shirt? Yes. Bro. Okay. They got the stuff right up here. I ordered a size large in this just to be safe because I'm not spending $300 a shirt for no reason for it to be too small, you feel me? So I went up, so I got a size large. I can fit a medium, but I don't want a chance with designer. I never bought off-white for, so I don't know how to run. But yeah, this the shirt, you feel me? Ooh, this bitch heat, I ain't gonna lie. This the back of it. This the arrow diagonal, and then on the sleeves, it got the little half. I don't know what you call this, but y'all see it though. You feel me? Got the little little slashes up on there. This hard. I ain't gonna lie. It's super hard. Oh, bro. And you can see the tag. It say off-white. Then it says permanent right up across there. Okay. Oh, bro. This hard. I ain't gonna lie. This tough. Like, I just seen it on Neiman. I searched up like off-white long sleeve because I wanted to do off-white this year for my birthday. Last year I did Palm Angel / Burberry. So this year I want to do off-white. So yeah, this what you got, and I'm gonna get the shoes to match. Y'all gonna see when I drop the pictures, or when I get the shoes. I'm probably gonna make a video on it. So yeah, this hard though, I ain't gonna lie. Tough, stupid tough. Not even gonna lie to you. And it look like it's gonna fit perfectly. I ain't gonna lie to you. Oh, maybe it's not. I don't know. I got some big ass shoulders. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. I don't know. But even if it's just a little bit too big, I don't care. I'll take it because I have room to grow in it because I'm still only 17 right now. I'm not even 18 yet, bro. But I am gonna be 18 in a month. I'm growing up, bro. If y'all been with me from the start, bro, it's been a long journey, bro. Real talk. Real talk. But yeah, growing up, man. So yeah, we got a size large. I ain't gonna lie, more I look at this heat and that tag just do it for me. Yeah. Wait till I pop up with this birthday flip. Yeah, I'm coming different. Go follow my IG though, MW _ LaFlare Grinding, you feel me? So yeah, y'all, this is where y'all gonna find me. I'm probably gonna change my username because that's a little long for some people, but I got linked on my channel anyway, so yeah, go check that out, man. I could be posting some fire fits on there, man. I'm for real, man. Go check me out, man. Fuck with me. But yeah, I'm talking a lot though, but the shirt hard. But yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I thought I was gonna stretch out this video. I'm not even gonna do that to y'all. Y'all came here for what y'all want to see, and y'all saw it. And it's heat. I'm finna try it on, see how it fit, and maybe I'll tell you how it fit. Maybe I might do a little try, maybe. So we'll see. But yeah, all right. So we got the shirt on, as y'all can see. Oh my God, this is tough. There ain't gonna lie. I could have got a medium, but large will do just fine. You see, it got that. Yeah, Off-White tags up on there. You feel me? Oh, bro. Oh my God, this shirt tough, ain't gonna lie. And then when I get the shoes and get the full fit going, man, yeah, it's tough though. I fuck with it heavy for sure. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video, you feel me? Like, comment, share, subscribe, you feel me? Comment down below what y'all wanna see next. We're on the road to 400 subscribers, you feel me? So sub up, we like 11 away. So sub up, man, you feel me? And keep going crazy and fucking with me, man. Cause without y'all, I wouldn't be where I'm at, man. But I mean, I need more of y'all to help me go farther, you feel me? I'm not getting the YouTube money yet. So yeah, just help me out, man. You feel me? I fuck with y'all, y'all fuck with me, right? You feel me? Yeah, put me on to y'all friends, you feel me? Yeah. Tell them subscribe to YRJ, you feel me? I should change my name handle, but I ain't gonna do that. We gonna keep it how it is, man. But yeah, end this video, and I'll see y'all next video. Yeah.